Hi guys, I'm back with another video. So I'm gonna review Shaitan 2024 Shaitan, which starred Ajay Devgan on Madhavan. So let's start with my review for Shaitan. So Shaitan translates means devil is a 2024 Indian Hindi language supernatural horror thriller film directed by Vikas Bahel and produced by Devgan Films, GS Studios, and Panorama Studios. The film is a remake of the 2023 Gujarati film called Vansh, stars Ajay Devgan, R. Madhavan, Jyotika, Angad Raj, and Janki Bodiwala, who reprised her role from the original film Vansh. This is Jyotika's comeback to Bollywood cinema since her debut film called Doli Saja Ke Rakhna in 1998, yeah, which was released 25 years prior, yeah, in that year. So, plot for Shaitan: Kabir is played by Ajay Devgan, Rishi, a chartered accountant, and his wife Jyoti, is played by Jyotika in the film. Reside in Dehradun. There's a place in Dehradun, Uttarakhand, Uttarakhand, yeah, with their kids called Janvi and Dhruv on a vacation on their farmhouse at a remote hill station. They met Rimraj. Randaraj is played by An Madhavan. Guys, so they meet Ranraj Kashyap, an enigmatic man. Ranraj offers a laddu to Janvi in exchange of her paratha. After eating a laddu, Janvi obeys his every command like a puppet. Ranraj again offers a pocket of biscuit later to Janvi when she is in the car and asks her to eat it. Once she reaches the farmhouse, Kabir and his family start enjoying in the pool of farmhouse. In the farmhouse, Jyoti puts her wet phone in the rice box for drying, then reaches the terrace. She found Vanraj standing at the farmhouse door outside. Janvi lets Vanraj in and he claims that his phone battery is dead. The family is unsettled by his presence and Jyoti asks Kabir to send Vanraj out of the house. Vanraj starts talking to Janvi about her boyfriend and colleague Dhruv asks Janvi to play with him. Vanraj is disturbed with Dhruv and asks Janvi to threaten Dhruv on the swing. Janvi swings very high with Dhruv scaring him as he pleads for help. Jyoti and Kabir reach there and take Dhruv down the swing. Kabir asks Janvi to forget the innocent, but Randaraj interferes. Kabir asks him to leave, but Randaraj denies. Kabir tries to kick him out, but Janvi, upon Randaraj's order, prevents her father from kicking him out. Kabir asks Vanraj what he has done to Janvi, and Vanraj reveals that he was hypnotized her through black magic. She will obey every command he gives. Vanraj orders Janvi to constantly stand and sit, and she follows Vanraj orders Janvi to break all the telephone lines, and torments the family by talking Janvi to do strange and cruel things. Vanraj orders Janvi to eat dry tea leaves and she does. Kabir stops Janvi and she slaps her father on the order of Vanaraj. Vanaraj asks Kabir and Jyoti to give Janvi to him as he needs their permission to do so. When they refuse, Vanraj hits Janvi and Kabir attacks him. Vanraj orders Janvi to break the head of the Dhruv, and she does later. Police arrive at the farmhouse as Jyoti calls on the police helpline from the phone in the box. Rice box. Seeing police on the door, Vanraj orders Janvi to switch on the gas cylinder and sit over it by holding a matchstick. He threatens Kabir and Jyoti that if they tell anything to police, he'll order Janvi to burn the matchstick and kill herself. The family acts normal with the police and for sparing them. Vanraj agrees and leaves the house but sets the money on fire, declaring that he has no use for materialistic things. He reveals himself to be demon, like a shaitan, who aims to control the world, believing himself to be as good as God. He orders Janvi to continually slap herself and then orders to her dance for him. Janvi continuously dancing for more than an hour. Vanaraj orders Janvi to bring a knife and then goes to sleep. Instruction Janvi to stab anyone who approaches. When her father tries to steal the Vanaraj's phone, Janvi tries to deny him and narrates her shots. Vanaraj to stop him so she does not have to stab him. Vanaraj wakes up and becomes very disappointed at this, and he asks her to undress herself and change her clothes. Having had enough, Jyoti finally snatches the knife from Janvi and attacks Vanaraj. Later, Kabir tied Janvi on the stairs and starts attacking Vanaraj. Vanaraj orders Janvi to laugh herself to death and reveals that even if he is killed, Janvi will continue acting on his last order until her death. This complies Kabir to let him go. Vanaraj instructs Janvi to kill her brother. Kabir and Jyoti tried to stop Janvi, but she locked them in the storeroom. She started searching for Dhruv and finally found him on the terrace, but he survived. Through grievously wounded, visualizing the children might actually die, Kabir and Jyoti give Vanaraj the permission to take Janvi with him. Vanaraj leaves by taking Janvi with him. Jyoti drives Dhruv to the hospital while non-resist to Vanaraj. Kabir trails him to his lair, having fixed a tracker on his cell phone. Earlier, it is revealed that Vanaraj has kept 108 other girls, similarly hypnotized with his last addition. He prepares to sacrifice them in the fire. He orders all the girls to come closer. Last red doll. All the girls will jump in the fire. This will complete the ritual for him to acquire the power to control anyone, as well as he believes humans do not deserve free will. Kabir tracks Vanaraj and reaches there, but it is attacked by one girl. Vanaraj puts his leg on Kabir and is about to finish the ritual. Kabir attacks Vanaraj with a firewood and finally cuts Vanaraj's tongue off with the last red doll. Vanaraj can't order anything on the girls and is now helpless. When the girls are tried to kill Kabir, he plays an edited recording of Vanaraj's voice in which he declares their freedom. Earlier, Kabir had taken the home security camera recording of Vanraj speaking to Janvi that his father wanted him to release her. Kabir splits his words together to make it seem like Vanraj is ordering the girls to go back to normal. Thus, the girls are freed from his control after listening to the recording as Kabir and his family recuperate at the hospital. Vanraj hostages girl are safely returned to their homes by the police, who inform listening to the recording. After all, Kabir and his family recuperate in the hospital. Vanraj hostages girls are safely returned in their homes by the police in the farm Kabir that Vanraj has gone missing. A year later, Kabir is seen going into an isolated chamber where he has in fact held Vanraj captive. He mocks Vanraj, who can no longer speak, for wanting power, and states that true power comes from parents who can go to any extent to protect their children, and declares that this will now and he will Vanraj is devil. Then he tells Vanraj that he will meet again for the next day and leaves while Vanraj continues to suffer. So this is the plot and this is the story of one absolutely fantastic movie, and how R. Madhavan's character Vanraj hypnotized Kabir's girl, and how he hypnotized and he captured all 108 girls. What a film, man. Ajay Devgan could have played this better role, but R. Madhavan played as the Shaitan. And yeah, it's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. So the film was officially announced in May 2023, guys, and principally photography took place between June and September 2023, proceeding in Dehradun and London. The music was composed by Amit Trivedi, while the cinematography Francis Sundeep, cinematography and editing was handled by Sudhakar Reddy Yankanti and Sandeep Francis. Shaitan was theatrically released on 8 March 2024, considering with Mahashivratri, and the film received positive reviews from the critics with a worldwide gross of 211.06 crore against a budget of estimate 60 to 65 crores. The film ranks as the fourth highest grossing Indian film of 2024, the second highest grossing Hindi film of 2024, and the highest grossing Indian horror film of all time. Directed by Vikas Bahl, written by Mihir Kiran Khan, story by Krishnadev Yanik, based on Vansh original film by Krishnadev Yatanik, produced by Vikas Bahl, Jyoti Deshpande, Ajay Devgan, Abhishek Pathak, Kumar Mangal Pathak, starring Ajay Devgan as Kabir, R. Madhavan as the evil Shaitan, Vanraj Jyotika as well, playing as Ajay Devgan's wife. Janki is playing as Janvi. Her performance is outstanding. 5 out of 5 for Janki Bodawala, who was in the original film, guys, and she was in the remake as well. Janki gets 5 out of 5. What a acting she did. Brilliant. Janki Bodawala gets 5 out of 5. And Angan Raj. Cinematography Sundakar Reddy Kanki, edited by Sandeep Francis, music by Amit Trivedi, production companies Geo Studios, Devgan Films, Panorama Studios, distributed by Panorama Studios. Release date was 8 March 2024. Running time for Shaitan is 142 minutes. Country India, language Hindi, budget was 60 to 65 crores. Box office is 211.06 crores. So it was a super hit. And best performance has to be Janki Bodawala, steals the show, and plus R. Madhavan as Vanraj, how he hypnotized and how she drinks this, she eats dry tea leaves, how she hypnotized and slaps her father, and oh my god, Yes, it's like a hypnotized horror film. And Armadwan gets brilliant performances as the Shaitan. Ajay Devgan would have played, if he played his character, if it was in opposite direction. That's my thinking. But Ajay Devgan as the father, brilliant. How he protects her daughter from this evil Shaitan. How he got hypnotized and the film all shot in the farmhouse. Entire film is shot in the farmhouse. Brilliant, entertaining horror films of 2024. And it was a super hit at the box office. And the film was outstanding. So I guess 4 out of 5 for me. Satan is the winner. And Ajay Devgan was brilliant, 5 out of 5. Anna Madhavan, 5 out of 5. Jyotika is good to see her back. She's a South actress. She gets 5 out of 5. And Janki wins the show. 5 out of 5. Janki Bodawala. So Shaitan, 4.5 stars for me. Absolutely brilliant, supernatural, hypnotized movie of the year, horror film of the year. So yeah, Shaitan winner is a winner for me. Brilliant. And how he cuts Vanraj's tongue and how he got captured in the cell, goes down on the chamber and he talks to him. He can't talk. He can't control the world. So yeah, only parents has the rule and the real power. So it's a good film. So 4 out of 5 for Shaitan. So yeah, brilliant. Stay safe, play safe. Hope you like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.